Once you receive your order, go ahead and lay out everything in front of you. You should have your rear rack, brackets, and hardware kit. The only tools you'll need for installation are a 5mm Allen, 10mm socket with extension, and a 13mm wrench. You'll begin with removing the factory seat mounting bolts on both sides of the bike. Next, there are 4 bolts that secure the license plate holder to the subframe. You'll need to remove the 2 forward-facing bolts shown here. Once they have been removed, be sure to keep them handy as you will be needing them during the installation of your rack. Next, take the rear mounting brackets. Determine the left side by aligning the 90-degree angle on the outside pointing upward and the lower mounting area pointing towards the rear of the bike. Using the factory bolt from before, fasten the bracket into position as pictured, hand tight. Repeat this process for the other side as well. Now that both brackets are hand tight, you're ready for the next step. Your hardware kit will come with a pair of offset aluminum spacers. Starting with the left side, insert narrow side in. Repeat this for the other side as well. Now take the longer bolts from your hardware kit and slide the washers onto them. Position the rack into place, making sure the forward mounting locations are aligned with the aluminum spacers. Now take your bolts and thread them in hand tight on both sides of the rack. Carefully swing the rack into position, aligning the rear mounting tabs with the brackets from before. Insert the shorter bolts with washers through the tabs and brackets. Take the nuts from your hardware kit and thread them onto the bolts hand tight. Now that all of your hardware has been fastened together, you'll need to go back and snug everything down. Using your 5mm Allen, start by tightening the forward-facing mounting locations. Using your 13mm wrench, slide it through the cutout in the rack in order to grab the nut. Now take your 5mm Allen and snug them down tightly on both sides of the bike. Lastly, go underneath and fasten the bracket mounting bolts. Once all the hardware has been securely fastened, you have now completed the installation. Let us know if you have any questions. We appreciate your feedback. Thanks for watching.